And next topic in this chapter is what make us breathe. Okay, so in this topic I have introduced about mechanism of breathing in human beings. Okay, in this topic I have introduced about mechanism of breathing in human beings. Okay, so student, you can now observe one picture on screen. Okay, this picture showing inhalation and this second picture showing exhalation. Okay, so in this picture inhalation, you can observe this is windpipe. Okay, and this all is ribs. Okay, and this portion is diaphragm. Okay, this portion is diaphragm. Okay, and this is next picture. In this picture, this is windpipe and all is ribs, and this is diaphragm. Okay, so student, we are going on the mechanism of breathing in human being in under the topic what makes us breathe. What makes us breathe? Okay, so we have just learned when we place our hand on our chest. Okay, we find that our chest rises and falls as we breathe in and out. Okay, so how does this happen? How does this happen? Breathing takes place with the help of the intercostal muscles between the ribs and diaphragm. Okay, between ribs and diaphragm, intercostal muscles. Okay, so during inhalation, okay, during inhalation, when you breathe in, okay, the intercostal muscles contract. Two things happen at the same. Okay, when we breathe in, the intercostal muscle contract. Two things happen. Okay, first is the ribs are pushed upward and outward. Okay, this is ribs, and this is showing the ribs is push upward. Okay, and second thing, the diaphragm contract and moves downward. Okay, this is diaphragm, and this diaphragm contract and move downward. Okay, diaphragm contract and move downward. Okay, so student, the upwards and outwards movement of the ribs, upwards and outwards movement of the ribs, and the downward of the diaphragm. Okay, downward of the diaphragm. So increases the space in chest cavity. Okay, increase the space in chest cavity. So the chest cavity becomes larger and the air rises into the lungs. The lungs get filled up with air and expand. Okay, and during exhalation, when we breathe out, the intercostal muscles relax. Okay, two things happen at the same time. The ribs, this is the ribs. Okay, the ribs move downward. Okay, and inward. Okay, so these ribs downward. Okay, and the diaphragm, this is diaphragm, Okay, diaphragm relaxes and moves upward. Okay, diaphragm relaxes and move upward. Okay, so its original position. Okay, so the downward and inward movement of the, okay, so the downward and inward movement of the ribs and the upward movements of the diaphragm. Okay, so decreases the space in the chest, decreases the space in the chest. Okay, so the chest cavity becomes smaller and the air rises out of the lungs. Okay, the lungs get impeded and contract. Okay, so you can observe this picture. Ribs have downward. Okay, ribs move and downward and inwards. In this picture you can see, and diaphragm relax and moves upward. Okay, so I hope student, all of you understood mechanism of breathing in human beings. Okay, they have both diagram, inhalation and exhalation. Okay, so regarding this topic, any doubt you can feel free to ask me. Have a nice day. Good day.